Hey guys, so I have a Focallure, I think that's how you say it, Babe box that I just got today that I thought I would share with you. I signed up originally to try the first time like free box, and you have to sign up for at least a second box, and you have to pay like, pretty sure it's like 23 bucks for this box. But I canceled it after this one because after getting the first one, I really wasn't that impressed with it. Like, I honestly think you can get better stuff in like a Birchbox or even Ipsy than in this, and you're paying like double the price. But I just thought I would go ahead and get into what all's in this box. So it's looking like doesn't even feel like there's anything in here. Okay, so it's just it says it's an intense eyeliner, and it's by the actual, like, the brand of the box, Focallure or whatever. Got plastic wrap on everything. I'll eventually get it. So let's see. So it looks like this. Oh, okay, so it's a felt tip liquid liner, which I guess doesn't say what shade it is. I'm assuming it's in black. But you can never have too many of those, and I'm a matte lip liner by Focallure. Not really sure how to say that. I'm not a fan of liquid liners, but I mean, I'm always up for trying them, so let's see. Okay, it looks like it's like a pretty reddish shade. It's a little rough at first, but yeah, it's like a pretty red. Let's see, what's this? Professional Facial Serum, it's a vitamin C serum by Lanthome. That's what the box looks like. Why is everything in plastic wrap? You're just making it 10 times harder to open everything, I swear. Now I'm ripping the box. It's a decent sized little serum. So you get 10 milliliters in there. But I mean, that should last a little while. And then the next thing I see in here is so this is definitely like a take on the baby skin that you can get at Target or whatever, but it's by Kanya. And it's Babe Skin Pore Eraser, and it looks just like the one that you can get at Target. I mean, I'll definitely try it. It looks exactly like the packaging and everything is exactly the way the other one is. And then this is a Handian Aurora Highlight. This is the only thing that wasn't wrapped in plastic wrap. Okay, well, now it is. Oh, cool. So it's a little quad of highlighters, and one came broken. You can see right there. I thought it was going to be like one big highlight. Oh, that's sad that one of them's broken. And again, like, I paid $23 for this box. And I mean, I don't know. I would rather pay for Ipsy and get, you know, sample sizes of stuff than to pay $23 for, like, this stuff. Especially, it's not even, like, brands that I've heard of or anything. It's, like, their own brands or something. I don't know. It's kind of weird. I mean, I don't dislike what I got in this box. I think the stuff I got in this box is better than what I got in the first box. But I don't know. I'm kind of disappointed that one of these highlights is already broken. It looks like it's pressing together pretty easily though, so that's nice. Let's see what they swatch like. Oh, that one's pretty. The broken one is really pretty, so let's swatch the others while we're at it. I feel like I haven't made a video in so long, which is why I decided to go ahead and, well, I kind of mixed on accident. I went over the lip liner, but oh well, they're really pretty highlights. I will give it that. I don't dislike this box. I'm glad I canceled it though after this box, because $23 for this stuff, like, it's not worth it to me. I'm pretty excited to try out the vitamin C serum. I am excited to see how this works, and this is bigger than the baby skin one. Actually, hang on, give me 1 second. Maybelline Baby Skin and Babe Skin. It's like the exact same packaging and everything. This is just bigger. It's crazy. It's crazy how much they like ripped off the Maybelline one. But again, I am excited to try this. I'm actually pretty excited for the highlights. I'm excited for this, and I mean, these two things, they're okay. I mean, they're just pretty standard items. I would rather get different things. I honestly really miss BoxyCharm, and I'm thinking about maybe doing like a 3-month subscription to them again, just because I really enjoyed getting the 3 months that my best friend did for me for my birthday. And since you can do stuff like that, like just for 3 months, or I don't know, whatever, you could do, maybe buy 1 box or do a 3-month thing. I don't know what else you can do, but I'm going to look into it, and I might sign up and do a 3-month BoxyCharm again, and then I can share that with you guys, because I really loved BoxyCharm. I mean, that's the best one out of all of them. The only reason I haven't gotten it is because it's way more expensive than Ipsy, and I've had Ipsy for so long. I enjoy getting Ipsy bags. I just wish you got more full-size products. But I don't hate Ipsy. I prefer it over this. But again, this one wasn't a complete dud. I just don't think it was worth the $23, personally. Because you pay $21 for BoxyCharm, and you get like pretty much all full-size products, and they're all name brands, things that you've heard of and all that. So I don't know. I would probably steer clear of the Focallure box unless you want to try it. Go for it. Like I said, if you sign up and you just pay shipping and you get your first box for free. The shipping was like $7 maybe. But then you have to at least get a second box and pay for it before you can cancel. But I canceled. Like, this is the last box I'm getting from them. So I'm glad they sent a few things that I'm excited for, but I don't know. I wouldn't pay for it. I don't think it's worth it. Yeah, that's my 2 cents.